Hey, Sedge, what's this?
Oh, that's funny. That's a strop.
No, is that your accent?
No, that's T-R-O-P. It's a piece of leather, and I put it on MDF. God, this must be 20 years old. Okay, and I just took some leather I had kicking around. There's sometimes like my oh look, just hang out here. Check this out. Look, this is an old belt. I can't throw this stuff away. Okay, I just cut it up, and what I'll do is this is called Rouge. Okay, this is actually, I think I get this at Lee Valley, Veritas. This is a really good Strop and Rouge. And what it is instead of, like if I have a chisel like this, okay, and it's not that it's dull, but it's just not cutting perfect. I always have this, and I'll go like this. I'll do a quick lap on the back, okay, and that's actually a very fine grit.
Oh.
So what that's doing is that's bringing it up to the best of sharpness, and then I'll just take it like this. I always sharpen close to myself or use stuff close to myself, and I go like this, and I just drag. I feel that bevel, and I just drag it back. And sometimes a couple of quick passes, that's back up and running perfectly.
That's like super shiny too.
Yeah, this is a little flex tool that I've had. I think it's called Flex Cut, and I've had these. Oh God, I've had these forever. And this is one of my go-to chisels, so I can get where I need to get with it. And it's just, this thing is always wicked sharp.
Awesome.
Cool, and that's a strop. So now you know what this is. You used to see them in the old movies with the barbers when they did the straight razor.
Gotcha.
That's what a strop is. I just charge it with this Rouge. Sometimes the old barbers used to use an old belt to sharpen their razors.
Rouge. Wait, that's in the face.
And there you go.
Thanks for sharing.
Woo-hoo, stay sharp.